Hello, welcome once again. In this tutorial, I want to share with you how to make met and pour glycerin soap base. To get started, you need to put on your hand gloves, and these are all the ingredients. 255.1 grams of coconut oil, 134.9 grams of stearic acid, 148.3 grams of distilled water, 63.4 grams of caustic soda, 100 grams of propylene glycol, 80 grams of glycerin, then 380 grams of sorbitol. So to start with, dissolve the stearic acid in coconut oil by pouring the coconut oil in an heat-resistant mug and then add the stearic acid to it. Then mate it using a double boiler method. And while that is melting, here in another heat-resistant mug, add your distilled water and slowly add the caustic soda to it. Soap base serve as a fundamental ingredient in soap production, providing a ready-to-use foundation that can be customized for various applications. Soap base simplifies the process by allowing users to melt it down, add desired ingredients, and pour into a mold, just like I will be demonstrating at the end of this video by making a neat soap with the final products. Make sure not to add your water to caustic soda, but caustic soda to your water. And this is quite very hot. Make sure you are not doing this with children around you. And also, make sure you are putting on your face mask to avoid inhaling the fume. Also, it is recommended to do this in a well-ventilated area. At this point, as you can see, the solution becomes clearer. So we go in with our glycerin and stir to combine properly. When this is properly combined, gradually pour it into the coconut oil and stearic acid mixture. Make sure to stir continuously as you pour the light solution into the coconut oil and stearic acid mixture. Mix it around for about 3 minutes. Please, if this is your first time of seeing my videos, I want to say thank you so much for clicking to watch. Kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that when I upload new videos, you'll be notified. And to all my amazing returning viewers, I want to say thank you so much. I appreciate you. God bless you. And after 3 minutes, cover with a foil paper and allow to rest for about 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, I will open and add propylene glycol and the sorbitol. Give it a quick stir. And we first go in with our propylene glycol. And continue mixing. At this point, use your stick blender to mix it. Like I said, you have to put on your nose mask and goggle to protect your eyes while doing this. And after 2 minutes, it is time for us to add our sorbitol. Add it gradually and continue blending. So I discovered that my mug was too small for this, so I had to transfer it into a bigger mug so that I can work comfortably with it. And after I transferred it into a bigger mug, I added the remaining sorbitol to it and continued to blend into a gel. I have a playlist where I made different soap using our final products. You can check the video card above to get access to it, or you can access it from the end screen of this video where I made different video about how to make soap using soap base. At this point, I will add 120 grams of alcohol to it, blend to mix, cover with a foil paper and turn on the heat. Make sure not to add alcohol while the heat is on. Because alcohol is highly inflammable, add it and cover before you turn on the heat. The reason why I did not display the alcohol among the other ingredients is because alcohol evaporates so quickly when exposed to oxygen, so as to avoid inaccuracy in measurement. And after blending for about 5 minutes, cover and allow to cook for about 15 minutes. And after cooking for about 15 minutes, open, and as you can see, our soap is properly dissolved. Next, bring it down from the heat and blend for about 3 minutes. And after blending for about 3 minutes, cover and allow to rest for another 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, you can see how clear our soap is. But as you can see, we have some foam floating on top of the soap. To get rid of it, you can easily use spoon to scoop it out. Or alternatively, you can pour it into a mold like that. Then use alcohol spray to get rid of it. So I'll just go ahead and pour it into my molds. And now spray alcohol spray on the foam to get rid of it. And allow to rest for between 8 to 24 hours for it to solidify. And this is the following day. Our glycerin based soap base has become solid. Next, I'll be removing them from the mold. Make sure you allow this to cure for about 2 weeks before using it to bathe. With this, you can make different type of soap for different purposes, such as carrot soap, avocado soap, rice soap, potato soap, and many more. And after removing them from the mold, here we have our transparent soap. And can you see how transparent our soap is? And to prevent it from getting moist easily, I'm going to wrap with a cling film and keep in a dry place. But to test the foaming and the melting ability of our glycerin based soap base, I'm going to be using part of it to make neem soap. So I'll cut part of the soap and cut them into cube. Transfer into a bowl and take to the heat for double boiling. And as you can see from the video, the soap base dissolves so fast. And after dissolving it, I'll be adding the neem solution. Stir together and pour into a mold. If you want a step-by-step video on how to make neem soap, please check the video card above, and I will as well provide the video link in my description box, or you can as well get access to it at the end screen of this video. And now let us test the foaming ability of this soap. As you can see from the video, as I wash my hands with it, it comes with a great lather. I guess you have learned something new from this video. Kindly click on the like button, comment and share this video with your loved ones. Thanks so much for spending your precious time with me. See you in my next video. God bless.